This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. Today we have a Bosch dishwasher with the common E-24 or E-25 error code, and that just pertains to a problem with the drain, and usually it's pretty easy to fix. You can hear kind of a grinding noise too on this one when it's supposed to be draining. So I removed the filter. I'm going to use a turkey baster to get rid of a little bit of the water that remains. And then I'm going to remove this white thing. Also, I notice a big chunk of glass there from a wine glass. That's pretty common. I use my standard head screwdriver to pry off this white piece of plastic, and this is the impeller cover, and we want to get that out of the way to check out the impeller to see if we can spin it. So it does appear to be spinning pretty easily if I push it with the screwdriver, and I'm going to use my turkey baster to get in there and remove all that water so I can look better as to what might be down there. There might be a seed, there might be another piece of broken glass, or there might be a piece of broken ceramic, and that can rub up against that impeller and cause a grinding sound and also keep the machine from being able to drain, which would give you the E-24, E-25. So I'm going to reach in now with some thin needle nose pliers and see if I can grab anything that might be down in there. The only thing I've found so far has been that piece of glass, and it does appear now that the impeller can spin freely. If you feel like it's rubbing, you may want to reach in and see if there's something caught down there. I did notice there was a seed caught over here that was actually not in the drain, but was more about to be pulled in with the circulation motor. So I got that out of there. It looks like maybe a piece of popcorn. And now we're going to put this white piece back in. If this white piece gets loose, you'll definitely get an E-24 or E-25 error. It has this little piece here, and that has to go in towards you. You're in the front of the dishwasher. When you put it back in, here's how it goes in, and then that part I just showed you has to go toward you. I'm going to push down with the standard head screwdriver and then push that thing securely into that darker gray plastic surrounding, and that locks it in. If it doesn't lock in, it'll definitely have that drain problem. If you lock it in properly, you'll actually hear it click in. So I'm going to put the filter in and turn so the black arrows line up. That means it's really in there tight. Checking these spray arms to make sure they're okay. That's the lower spray arm, just pops right out. Then we have a middle spray arm that it's good to check. You can pull that out, and there's a plastic nut below it. You just turn the nut about a quarter turn and the whole spray arm can come out, and you can make sure that there's nothing caught in any of the holes. If there is, you can try to pull it out with a pair of pliers, or you can push it in and then see if you can use water to help have it fall out the middle, because you do want to get all that stuff out of there. To put it back in, you just push up and do a quarter turn, and that locks it in. If you ever want to just drain it, just press this start button for 3 seconds and then close the door, and it will do a reset of the computer and it will activate the drain motor. So now that we did this procedure, the dishwasher's not grinding anymore. It's doing great. Just going to put a cup in there upside down to check how well it's circulating. So thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.